Good morning to everybody, good morning to the whole world. Good day. Magandang araw sa Pilipinas. Now, ipinapakita ko sa inyo, I show you AHU, Air Handling Unit. This air handling unit, there is a supply duct, and then there is a return duct. There is also fresh air. This one is a fresh air. Did you know what is the name of this? This is called sun trap. This fresh air have damper so that you can adjust if you want it more, and if you want it to make a little. This AHU is not using a chilled water. This AHU using a DX unit with 2 compressor 1 and compressor 2. You can see the breaker, the fuse, and the contactor and overload of the AHU air handling unit. There is also relay for the BMS and fire alarm. This DX unit is made by York Johnson Control. You can see the liquid line, the 2 filter dryers, because this DX unit have a two-stage circuit, 2 circuit, and then side glass, and the expansion valve is inside the AHU, 2 expansion valve also. This AHU also is the same as a normal AHU, consists of a blower wheel, motor, and then that cooling coil, which now it is needed for ppm. And I will show you the type of bag filters we are using. This is the bag filters, and then besides of that, there is also a pre-filter before the bag filter. This is a synthetic pre-filter. Guys, this unit, like I said, is not using chilled water because the unavailability of the chilled water. That's why they use a DX unit. That's why I like a split unit, which this is a condenser unit, and the evaporator coil is inside the AHU. If you are conducting a ppm, we need to clean this cooling coil properly with coil cleaner. Also this very dirty pre-filter also. By the way, please support my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Please. And I will upload more and more videos about the HVAC, electrical and mechanical. By the way, I'm PGB. I'm working in Tawam Hospital as HVAC supervisor here in Al Ain, U.A.E. I want to share you what is in my job as a supervisor. I will teach also especially the beginner AC technician how to check the compressor, how to properly charge a package unit, and also how can you determine if the compressor is 3-phase or single phase. I will do that in my next vlog. So as of now, please support my channel. This is also a York air handling unit, but it is very old. Maybe around 15 years to 20 years old unit. Okay, thank you guys for watching my vlog about HVAC, electrical and mechanical. I hope you will support my channel. Thank you all. God bless you.